All right. So I'm in the kitchen, guys. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening. I'm in the kitchen. I came home from work. And let me show you what's going on right now. You can hardly see me, right? Because I'm standing at the cupboard where the light is not focusing. But I'm in the kitchen. I came home. I got comfortable. Washed the pollen off my face, off my skin, and I'm in the kitchen. So, here's what's going on. So, right, so, see what's that, guys? That's liver. That's liver. I've seen people cooking up there. But this is liver. And so in my liver, when I was younger, my mom used to make liver for us. She would put a little brown sugar in it. You know, a lot of people can't stand the taste of liver. But I like liver. And so that's what I came home and I had taken it out last night, so it was thawing out. And my husband doesn't eat liver. So look at what he made. He made fried dumplings. He made fried dumplings, but he didn't cook any meat because he saw that the liver was there. I think he worked today. So I am actually cooking up a cup of rice. So I'm not going to do the fried dumplings. I'm just going to do the rice. Look at them pots, how them shiny, guys. My husband do a nice job with them. I burn the oatmeal and I come home and these pots are shiny and filled with love. So I'm steaming the rice, guys. If you look, it's on the low. Don't mind my stove. The liver was splattering a little bit. So when I cook the rice, you see, I put it on low. Yeah, the liver was splattering up there. So I don't like to use a big burner because a big burner, it's too hot. So I like to use the smaller burners over there. So then I'm gonna have to wipe it down later. But this stove is so old, guys. It has done its days. Oops. It has done its day. It's time. But to give him thanks, guys, still going. So that's my little measuring for my rice. So I'm cooking one of that. And with some liver for dinner. Yeah, we see chicken bob cooking up. We see things going on, but tonight I just wanted to do a little bit of liver. And yesterday was all raining. Let's see, now it's windy. As you can see, the leaves blowing there. So early today it was a little cooler. And I walked home and the pollen wasn't so bad. It wasn't so bad at all. With all the rain, the grass is green. I'm just giving thanks to so much. Grass is nice and green.